tat, I'm something like a Mac. Your nigga want it, ain't no coming back. Rap tat 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 tat. Y'all only for the cap. I'm pillin' when I'm steady speaking facts. Tricks wanna step to Shay, or then they get played. Cause they bitch made, told a nigga switch.
Day night, day night, day night. Day night, day night. We had a baby, but it's still day night. A spontaneous date night, right, babe? It can be planned too.
Real ugly and open fire.
Let's go. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Murder bodies like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Running on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't wanna rap, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a mission. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I feel up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I am recording on my phone. Obviously, I don't have my actual camera, so I'm vlogging on my phone. But we are in Joann's, one of the best craft stores there is. I used to come here and duck off all the time to just get my creative juices going, and like I love this store. Like this store would do it for me every time. This is where Branded by K Cake started off. Like literally, come on. Where we started off, we were in this store literally every day, almost. Kamari is just as obsessed with this store as I am, right, baby?
Yes,
So,
I am.
yeah, we love this store. And now, Aziz might become just as in love with the store as Kamari and I. Controller thing. Oh, but I think I already have this in at home, and then I got squares at home already. That just says level up. You can make that in any kind of way. Oh, I hurt my finger.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just been hurt. Say cheese. It looks stinky. Yeah. Yeah, you're crazy.
You
He's
party.
a crazy guy. This, my
They
guy.
have almost like the little stuff.
I wish they had like letters like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
They don't even have the rest of the numbers.
7, 8, 9, 10.
You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me about that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something.
This week, Aziz is, excuse our wall. It's terrible. But Aziz has learned how to climb up on things. So he's climbed up on top of this. He is 11 months. He'll be 11 and a half months on September 5th. I don't even know if my finger was over that. But he'll be 11 and a half months on September 5th. He's learned how to climb on top of things. He's trying to climb on the couch. And he's learned how to climb down off of the couch as well. So our boy is exploring. Right, ZZ? And you need to be safe. You're not being safe. Sit down, Stink. Sit down, ZZ. Sit down, Papa. Come here, because I need to change your stinky booty. Sit down. Sit down. He's learning to climb. Papa Bear.
Yeah, you may wanna.
All right, get over here. 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle out again. Blow the candle out again. Oh, it don't turn off. It don't turn off.
Oh, yeah, that's the kind. Oh.
It just turned different. Okay, don't blow your breath too much on it. Dude, it's not that serious, my boy. What's good, my boy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit.
It's your birthday. Everybody gonna sing happy birthday, Steve.
Can I blow the candles first?
Yeah.
Are they supposed to do a bomb thing?
It's like,
Oh, yeah, dog. These are sparking.
First of all, is that a bomb?
yes.
It's a game. Oh, okay.
Yo, don't do that. Why is he doing that?
They don't like to
All right. Okay, don't worry about it. All right, ready? 1, 2, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Minnie. Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday. Yay!
What?
I think that's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, this is crazy. Okay.
He like, today is my day.
I shouldn't have did this color.
Now you want to step out the pot?
I shouldn't have did this color. I'm glad I put them in black though.
What's up, big boy? You're too smart for your own good, don't you think?
All right, go back. Yep.
Something like a Mac. Your nigga want it, ain't no coming back.